Now, whenever you hear cold chain networks, think Carrier, the ultimate control company spun off from the old United Technologies. David Faber interviewed these guys. It was it was such a great interview that I was completely jealous. Now, Carrier makes freezer trucks, and they're all in on ensuring we have enough of them. They're integral to the chain. Of course, before the vaccine gets to the logistics place, it will likely go through the drug distributors. Now, listen up, because this is where the big money is going to be made. It's an oligopoly industry. It's controlled by McKesson, Cardinal Health, which has not been that good a stock, and AmerisourceBergen. Taken together, these middlemen have they've not been great investments of late. And a lot of people wonder why they should even exist. Why add one more cog to the Rube Goldberg machine that is America's healthcare system? But you know what? This is their time to shine. We've got 3 companies that exist solely to distribute drugs, and we suddenly need to get the COVID vaccine to hundreds of millions of people. If you want to buy one, I say you buy McKesson. That's the largest, it's the best run, and crucially, the only drug distributor that's specifically been selected to participate in Operation Warp Speed. I would buy this one right here, tomorrow morning, McKesson. The CDC already had a contract with McKesson to handle their Vaccines for Children program, and they were instrumental in getting the swine flu vaccine out a decade ago. Plus, earlier this month, McKesson did report a blowout quarter, just a massive top and bottom beat. Really unbelievable. Even better, management raised their full-year forecast dramatically, thanks in part to the kitting and storage of ancillary supplies for future COVID-19 vaccines. In other words, they're ready. They were up 33% for the year. McKesson still sells for roughly 10 times next year's estimates. That's ridiculous. I know that it's somewhat of a cutthroat business, but these guys deserve to sell much higher. I bet this one could have a lot of room to run. I like McKesson. What about the other end of the supply chain? We have to actually administer the vaccine somewhere. All right, well, here we go, the ones that you all know. The government has agreements with CVS and Walgreens to get the vaccine to residents of long-term care facilities. On top of that, last week, the Department of Health and Human Services announced a new set of partnerships with 60% of the pharmacies, that's 60, in the United States. And that includes Kroger, okay, right here, right? Walmart reports this week, tomorrow, be careful, and Costco, which just gave you a $10 special dividend. Tonight, stocks just... So how much could this business be worth? Last week, Morgan Stanley took a stab at answering this question for CVS. They concluded that the vaccine distribution could be worth 2 to 39 cents of earnings per share. Given that the stock trades at 10 times earnings, that translates to as much as $4. $4 per share for the stock price. And this stock has been just kind of, well, now it's up 10 straight points. I don't even know. My charitable trust owns it. I don't even know if I can recommend it up here. It's just been a straight line. If you get lots of people coming in for the vaccine, many of them will probably buy other things, right? I mean, you don't just buy everything from Amazon. The great thing, everyone with pharmacy exposure gets a boost. CVS should benefit the most.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.